Okay, I've had a couple of questions on how to go about ordering photos from my website. So we're going to do a little screen capture video here to try to explain it a little bit. We are at andyhortonphotography.smugmug.com and my galleries are under View Photos. And let's use one of our, well, let's use one of our client galleries as an example. Let's go to Brock here. He's a cool dude. Okay, there's a couple ways you can go about this. You can either click Buy Photos, which is over here. You can click photos from this gallery, and the default is the smallest print that you can buy, which is set at a 4x6. So if you decide that you want something bigger than a 4x6, you're going to go over here to change product, and you can pick all of the different products from here. So if you want paper prints, you can pick from the different finishes and sizes. So you can pick 4x6, luster, glossy, all the way, and you can scroll down and you can go all the way to a 30x40. I don't know if I would ship a 30x40, but it's there if you want to give it a shot. And I've got wallets, I've got square sizes, and you can go to other sizes. Well, actually, this indexes you down to other sizes on this list. So, and you can do wall art. I've got metal and wood. You can do metal. You can pick different metal sizes, metal prints. Let's say you wanted a 8x10 high gloss metal print of one of these pictures. So you would click your 8x10 and it's going to show you the price. Okay, so they're $34 each for an 8x10 metal print. So we'll just pick one at random here. Let's pick this guy. And we're going to go over here to add to cart. And let's just go to checkout and see what that entails. I don't look at this from the customer's point of view very much, so. Okay, so if you want an 8x10 but you want to check the crop, you can click edit crop. Now on some of these galleries, I don't have this done yet, but on this gallery I've got my print mark set up. So if you resize, if you change this crop, my little signature down here kind of moves with it. I don't have that done to all of them yet, but I'm working on it. And so you want him to be more over here, if you want him to be more in the middle of the print, or if you want to kind of put him on that rule of thirds line, you can put him right there. Let's click save. And the rest from there is pretty much self-explanatory. You can go through begin checkout, or you can check out with PayPal, or you can continue shopping. And that's pretty much it. Hope that helps.